Today, we're in my client's home in Franklin Lakes, New Jersey. Franklin Lakes is known for its beautiful estates, wooded landscapes, and peaceful atmosphere, while still being conveniently located in New York City. It's a community that attracts homeowners who appreciate privacy, luxury, and it makes it a perfect setting for a home like this. Every project has its challenges, and this one definitely had a few. One of the biggest was working with the scale of the ceilings, of course, which reach incredible heights in several areas of his home. Visually stunning spaces like that require careful attention for acoustics. The lighting and proportion ensure they still feel comfortable. So my name is Lizzie Go. I'm the principal and founder of Agape Design Group. Agape is a full-service interior design firm, and we specialize in new builds, which means we're involved from the earliest phases of the project, working alongside architects and builders to ensure the structure and scale, as well as the interior experience, aligned from day one. So this project was especially meaningful because the builder, Benchmark Builders, happens to be my husband. That gave us the opportunity to collaborate very closely throughout the entire process. Because we understand each other's perspective of design and construction, we're able to solve challenges quickly and ensure that every detail was executed exactly the way I envisioned it. This home is huge. It's approximately 14,000 square feet. The architecture includes overscaled ceilings, dramatic vertical spaces, and incredible natural light, which creates a very powerful sense of openness. So Foyer is the first impression, and the goal was to create a dramatic but yet welcoming entry moment. It draws the eye upward and introduces the home scale. The inspiration for the great room was modern luxury meets the warmth of a ski lodge. That is exactly what we did. We brought in the warmth of the white oak beams, the cathedral ceilings. It's just a grand space, but it feels super cozy. I knew I had to have a fireplace as a focal point, but then I had this huge wall on the left. It was too grand of a wall for me to just put art, so it had to be some sort of an architectural moment, as well as showcasing the client's artwork and not having small scale accessories because I would think that it would swallow it up. So having larger scale pieces were very important to achieve a balanced design. Because it's so large, I had to create cozy moments. We did anchor each space as the sitting area, as the entertaining area, which we had the bar on the right side. So since the client loves entertaining, we wanted everyone to feel comfortable and yet still communicate with each other. I feel like you're wowed by the grandness, but it feels so warm and welcoming because we brought in a lot of natural materials. All the textures we used in the upholstery makes it a lot warmer and inviting. This kitchen is designed for daily life and entertaining. The lighting plays a major functional role as well because there's a lot of tasks that's happening in this space. So having accent lighting to set the mood, but yet have proper task lighting to get the job done. We actually created tray ceilings above each island and the breakfast nook. We were thinking of putting in white oak paneling or have a different material that might be black, but then we saw that it was too much white oak. So we ended up just keeping it sheetrock, but having the LED lights throughout kind of gave us that wow moment because it has a soft glow. Because there's a lot of straight lines, I wanted to bring in some softness. And the way we did that is by having arches in the shelving and bringing in the Agnes pendants by Visual Comfort. So the breakfast nook is a more intimate, relaxed setting. It's for, your morning coffee or family meals. We illuminated the space with the Utopia pendant by Visual Comfort. Again, it brought in that arch, soft feel as the arches behind it in the shelving. Balances the grandness of the open space with comfortable everyday living. In addition to designing this custom kitchen, We actually have a hidden chef's pantry that you can go in from the side of the fridge and freezer. The client loves entertaining, so having a space where you can keep all the dirty pots and pans and all the things that you don't want to see when you're entertaining. Another challenge was navigating structural constraints in the dining room. That was a tricky one. We used that challenge as an opportunity to design a focal point. So there was a column in the entryway that we couldn't get rid of. So what we did is incorporate it into the wine display, and I think it came out amazing. So the powder room is a beautiful, elegant bathroom. I think that was very important because the client hosts a lot. So that is the main bathroom that the guests will use. So we wanted to feel luxurious. We wanted elevated materials as well as a fun pop of pattern with the wallpaper. And I think it's a great space. It is super elegant with the custom floating slab vanity as well as a custom mirror with our beautiful pendant by Visual Comfort. So as you are going up to the second floor, we are experiencing a vertical architectural moment. As you're going up, you are welcomed by the graphic 4-tier chandelier by Visual Comfort. And the lighting acts almost like a sculptural installation and connects all the levels visually. So the primary suite literally takes a whole wing of the house. And I would say it's about the size of an apartment. So the first thing we did is lay out the space. The suite called for a bedroom, a bathroom, a closet, a laundry room, and they actually wanted a gym in the bedroom as well. Yes, there was space for it, but we actually decided to move it to the basement. So we created a sitting room off her dressing room because she would have her mom or her friends come and hang out while she gets dressed and get ready to go for a night out. There's also the primary bedroom as well as the primary bath. And the color scheme I was going for, again, is very soft and calming tones, a lot of neutrals and a very soft pop of color. So we used melange pendants by Visual Comfort. The floating glow creates a very relaxing environment on either side of the bed. And in the primary bath, again, the client is into health and wellness, so he asked for a cold plunge instead of a freestanding tub, and also a dry sauna in the bathroom. I believe every good design should feel as good as it looks. And in this project, I feel we did exactly that.